Grabe, super init talaga kaya mag-reapply po tayo ng sunscreen. Ayan, ginawa ko lang dito guys ay nagtanggal lang po ako ng excess oil using tissue para maganda yung lapat ng sunscreen natin. And I'm using multigreen sun cream pala from Esfolio. The sunscreen guys is FDA approved po yan, made in Korea po yan. What I love about the sunscreen is ayan, meron siyang glowing effect and napaka-healthy po tignan ng aking skin. Ayan. Tapos, pag nag-blend po kayo nito guys, wala po siyang white cast and also napaka-lightweight lang po yan sa skin natin. Ayan, tignan nyo naman, ang ganda tignan ng aking skin. Nagustuhan ko siya because I have acne marks, so it helps po para mag-brighten and lighten yung marks na sa aking face. And also, don't forget to put sunscreen on your ear and neck also. And to complete my look,